The Midea WideMax 12-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to streamline meal preparation by combining multiple cooking functions into a single device. Key features: 12 cooking functions. This cooker offers a variety of preset options, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, rice cooking, yogurt making, baking, sous vide, chili preparation, sauce thickening, sterilizing, and a keep warm function. Amazon large cooking surface. With a 9.44-inch diameter, the cooking surface is 19% larger than traditional pressure cookers, facilitating easier sautéing and food handling. Amazon safety and quiet steam release. The cooker features a button design for easy and safe steam release, along with a specially designed cover to minimize noise during the process. Amazon family-sized capacity. Its 6.5 quart capacity is suitable for preparing meals for up to 6 people, making it ideal for families or batch cooking. Amazon user experience. Users have noted the appliance's versatility and efficiency in preparing a wide range of dishes. However, some have reported challenges with certain functions, such as the sauté feature, which may cause food to stick to the bottom, leading to longer cleaning times. Additionally, the instructional manual has been described as lacking clarity, prompting users to seek online recipes and guidance. Best Buy comparison with similar products. In the competitive market of multifunctional pressure cookers, the Midea WideMax stands out with its extensive range of cooking functions and larger cooking surface. However, it faces competition from well-established brands like Instant Pot, which offers similar features along with extensive user communities and recipe resources. Best reviews. Conclusion: the Midea WideMax 12-in-1 electric pressure cooker offers a comprehensive set of features aimed at enhancing cooking convenience and versatility. Its large capacity and multiple cooking functions make it a valuable addition to the kitchen, particularly for families. Prospective buyers should be aware of potential challenges with certain functions and the instructional manual, but overall, it presents a solid option for those seeking a multifunctional cooking appliance. For a visual overview and demonstration, you may find the following video review helpful.